Okay, now that you've downloaded Directory Submitter zip file to your computer, all you've got to do is unzip it. So we'll just unzip that. You can unzip it anywhere on your computer. I'll just unzip it into its own directory. Now when you've unzipped it, you'll get a directory called Directory Submitter full version 2.02. Just double click on that, and you'll see the following files in that folder. The only file that you'll need to worry about in here is called the setup file. So we'll just double click that to start the installation of Directory Submitter on our computer. You'll see that the installation will start, and then you'll get this window here. So we'll just click next, select where you want to install Directory Submitter onto your computer. I'll install all my files onto my D drive, so we'll just enter that, and then we'll click next, click install. Directory Submitter is now being installed onto your computer, and then you can launch Directory Submitter straight away if you wanted to. Just check that. We'll just go no, we'll go finish. Okay, now that we've installed Directory Submitter onto our computer, we click on start, go to programs, Directory Submitter full version. If we click this one here, that will load Directory Submitter up. If we wanted to uninstall Directory Submitter for any reason, we'll click this one here. Now, if for some reason you wanted to delete your activation key from the registry of the computer, just in case, say you installed a new version of Windows, or for any other reason, you just click delete activation key. If you want to know what your challenge code is for your Directory Submitter on your current computer, just click that button there. Up will pop a box that will show you your challenge key for this version of Windows on your computer. That's the challenge code that you'll need to enter in on the activation page on our website to create your serial code. It's like a fingerprint for your computer. Now when you first run Directory Submitter, you'll get this little box pop up. This is the challenge code that we showed you in the last box. So you know how to find your challenge code on your computer. Now this box here is where you enter your serial key to activate the program. Now if you don't already have a serial key, you need to create one, and you can do that by clicking this button here. But we'll make another tutorial on how to use the activation page on our website. So if you want to look at that, go ahead. And that basically covers the installation of Directory Submitter. So make sure you watch the activation video tutorial on how to create your serial code. Okay, thank you. Hi, welcome back to our next tutorial. In this tutorial I'll explain how to create and manage your website profiles that you want to send to the directories. Okay, first we should go up to Settings, click on Manage Profiles. You will see a box appear called Manage Profiles. Now to add a new profile, we would click Add. To edit a profile, we clicked Edit. To remove a profile, we'll just click the Remove button. To close the Profile Manager box, we just click the Close button. Okay, what we want to do first is add a new profile. So we click the Add button. Now there's 3 steps that you have to fill out. Now first you'll have to enter the name of the profile, something that is meaningful to use, so that you'll know what website you are promoting. So I'll just type in Directory Submitter. you've done that, click next to go to step 2. Now you type in your website URL. Put the http://www. Okay, now directorysubmitter.com. Okay, now we want to add a title to the profile. So let's just call it link directory submitter. Now you can enter anything you like in here. You want to make it as relevant to your website as possible, because this is what the search engines will pick up and get you ranked in on the search engines. So that will be the title of the link that will be displayed in a link directory. We can add as many as we want. We can highlight one if we wanted to edit it, or we wanted to remove it, or if we wanted to add multiple titles to our profile. We can create 3, we can create 1, we can create 10, as many as you want. And okay, now next what we want to do is a site description. So let's just quickly type in, okay, let's enter that. Let's add one more. Okay, press OK. Okay, now in your description you want to make that as catchable as you can, so that if the visitor goes to the directories and sees your link, so that they click on your link and visit your site. Also, this is what will be used in the search engines as a description of what your website is about. So you want to make that pretty relevant, and you want to make it keyword rich. Okay, so again, you can add and delete and as many as you want. You can edit, remove. It's quite simple. Okay, now let's add some keywords. Okay, now that you've added your keywords, you can add one keyword at a time, or you can add multiple keywords by putting a comma between each keyword that you want to be used on your submission to the directories. Using just one keyword is not a very good idea. You can, but it will be the only keyword that the search engines will pick you up by. But by adding multiple keywords, you greatly increase the chances of search engines picking up and ranking your website under multiple keywords in their search engines. Okay, let's click OK. Okay, again we can remove, edit. You'd want to probably make up to say 5 or 10. You can do as many as you want with different keywords. And then what happens is when you end up submitting your website to a directory, the submitter will rotate through all the keywords that you've added into the profile, so that every submission that you do to every directory is different, with different titles and different direct descriptions and different keywords, so that you don't have the same title, site description and keywords in all the directories. So that's why I recommend you do that. Okay, once you've done, click next. Now you just want to enter your information in here. Okay, just put your first name, your last name, your email address. This will be the email address for your website. It's a good idea to use the email address for a valid email address for each profile, and it's also a good idea to use the email address for your address and stuff like that before you can submit your website to their directory, so you can fill out that information in there. I won't use it now, so it's not relevant, so I'll just leave that. And once I'm done, I just click the finish button, and you'll see that Directory Submitter is listed under profiles available. Now I can edit that profile by clicking by highlighting it and clicking edit, or deleting it. Now I don't want to do that, so let's click close. Okay, now for this example, tutorial, for this example, I'm going to submit this Directory Submitter website to a new directory that I've put into the submitter. So you'll see up the top here on the right hand corner, profiles. That's the profile that we've created. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll see a directory called list a site. If I click that, it will load in the browser. So let's just scroll down. Let's manage custom directory. You'll get a box like this one here. It's similar to the profile manager box. We've got our add, our edit, and our remove button, our close button, which will close the directory list manager. We want to add a directory, so let's click the add button. We now get 3 steps again, just like the profile manager. First we've got the directory name, the directory URL. We've got a couple of little question mark icons there. You can highlight over them, and that will give you some extra help if you need it. So let's just put our directory URL that we are adding into the submitter into directory address. Let's give the directory a name. Okay, we've done that. Now let's click the next button. Okay, you'll get to step 2, add custom directory database. You've got your normal web browser, and you can change the name of the directory if you want. You can edit the URL if you want. Again, you've got little question marks that will help you throughout the steps. You can maximize your window, so it's easier to navigate. Okay, now you've got a set default page down the bottom here. Now that is used for when you have added the directory into the submitter and you go to click the directory from the directory tree list, it will then load to whatever page you've set as the default start page for that directory. Feedback and support each other, and also maybe let us know new features that you want to see included in future versions of Directory Submitter. Okay, that's basically covers the tutorial on how to add and delete and edit a directory in the custom directory database. I hope to see you in future tutorials. Thank you.